Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best bedroom lamp you can find on the market right now, the Fenmzee Bedside Table Lamp. If you're looking for a stylish, practical, and tech-savvy lighting solution for your bedroom, desk, or living room, this might just be the perfect fit. Right from the start, this lamp impresses with its minimalist design. It features a wooden base with a touch-sensitive finish that looks elegant and feels smooth to the touch. The round flaxen fabric shade adds a warm, cozy vibe to any space, blending seamlessly into both modern and classic interiors. Standing at 14 inches tall and weighing just over a pound, it's compact enough for a bedside table or desk without taking up too much room. What really sets this lamp apart is its smart functionality. It boasts a three-way dimmable touch control, allowing you to easily adjust the brightness to 3 different levels: low, medium, and high. This feature is ideal for customizing the atmosphere, whether you need a soft night light, focused reading light, or bright illumination for working or family gatherings. Simply tap or lightly pat the base or the supporting pole, and you'll switch between brightness levels or turn it off with ease. Another standout feature is its built-in charging ports. The lamp includes both a USB-A port and a USB-C port, each delivering 5 volts at 2.1 amps, plus a standard 2-pin AC outlet. This allows you to power up to 3 devices simultaneously, such as smartphones, tablets, laptops, or even small gadgets like humidifiers or speakers. The convenience of charging your devices right from your bedside lamp eliminates the hassle of searching for outlets or cluttering your space with multiple chargers. Installation is a breeze, with a plug-and-play setup that requires no complicated assembling. The package comes with a flicker-free E26 LED bulb that's already installed, saving you time and effort. The LED bulb offers 680 lumens of light at a comfortable 3000 Kelvin color temperature, providing warm white light that's easy on the eyes. This non-flickering bulb is designed to reduce eye strain, making it great for late-night reading or working. The lamp's construction speaks to quality and durability. The wooden base is crafted using WTP technology, ensuring it not only looks great but also remains stable and sturdy. The fabric lampshade is securely fixed with a ring to keep everything in place, even if the lamp is moved around. The touch sensor control is integrated into the base and metal pole, so you have full control at your fingertips without fumbling for switches in the dark. Beyond just function, Fenmzee's design philosophy shines through in this product. Created by interior designers who understand the balance between aesthetics and practicality, this lamp is a statement piece that also solves everyday problems. Whether it's enhancing your bedroom ambiance or simplifying your workspace, this lamp delivers. It runs on standard 120-volt power, which means it's compatible with typical US outlets. However, if you're planning to use it internationally, keep in mind it might require a voltage converter. The lamp's overall footprint is compact, with dimensions around 4.5 inches square at the base, making it suitable for even small nightstands or desks. In summary, the Fenmzee Bedside Table Lamp is much more than just a light source. Its 3-way dimmable touch control provides flexible lighting options, while the USB and AC charging ports keep your devices powered effortlessly. The included LED bulb ensures comfortable, flicker-free illumination, and the elegant wood and fabric design make it a stylish addition to any room. If you want a practical, modern, and beautiful lamp that enhances both your room's look and your daily routine, this one deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review or found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest product insights. See you next time.